Welcome back to Litter of Seven Living for the Lord. Today I'm going to show you how to clean tennis shoes when they are extremely dirty. And this is a natural way to clean them, and you're not using toxins or anything. So I'm going to show you now how to get them white again when they are super dirty. Let's get started. Okay, so today I just wanted to give you a tip on how to get tennis shoes clean. All right, these have already went through the washing machine, and as you can tell, they still look dirty. Well, they're stained, so the white on tennis shoes are horrible for staying stained. These are my husband's shoes. So I'm gonna show you a tip on how to get that back white again, okay? Okay, so you're gonna get tennis shoes that are dirty, of course. This is just an old hand towel. You're gonna get lemon essential oil and an old toothbrush, okay? So, let's see if I can show you this easily. All right, I am literally, okay, so you're gonna get your toothbrush and get your lemon oil. Put 2 or 3 drops on there. And you're just gonna start rubbing it in all over the white part. You will see it start taking some of the dirt, the stains off just while you're rubbing it. But I have found with any stains on clothing or anything, the key is to actually let it sit for a little while.
Is that an old toothbrush, Mom?
Yes, baby, it's an old toothbrush. It's not a new one.
It better not be. It better be an old one.
So I'm just gonna put that lemon oil on.
Mama, can I go to the game?
Go where, baby?
Can I go to the game?
The game. What game?
To watch. No, can I go to the movies?
The movies. Oh, you want to go to the movies. What movie do you want to see?
Boss Baby.
Boss Baby. I'm not sure. Okay, so I've put some on. Hold on one second, Chandler. And we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to do the other one, and we're going to let them sit for about 5 minutes.
And when it's all done, we will tap back.
We'll check, right? Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes, and we've let the shoes sit here and let that lemon oil really work on some of that hard dirt that's been in there for a long time. I don't think these shoes have been washed in a while, and they were in some dire need. I think he actually got in the mud the other day with them. So anyway, so we washed them in the washing machine, as you saw, and lemon oil on them with an old toothbrush. Now all I'm gonna do is use my thieves cleaner and spray on there to kind of get it all off. So, okay, so all I'm gonna do is just spray the thieves cleaner on. Let me move this one. And get it really rubbed in. Okay, then I'm going to use just this old hand towel that I have to wipe it off, just to rub the leftover lemon oil off or anything like that. Now, if it is a sunny day and you have some really bad stains on these things, you can actually put the lemon oil on them and put them outside in the sun, and that will do wonders. It will really get them bright and white. So I may do that later on when it's a sunny day, but it's not sunny here today. So anyway, I just used that, and I'm just gonna show you how clean is that. I wish I would have left one without being cleaned. I'm trying to show you. But yeah, like night and day, right? Night and day. So this is the other one that's been sitting. Just gonna spray it down with the Thieves All-Purpose Cleaner. Super easy to make, very cost efficient. I use Thieves and lemon on all my kids' stained clothes. And if you have kids, you have stains. Am I right? Can I get an amen on that? So I'm just gonna, I don't remember if I sprayed that. So just gonna scrub this side down. Toothbrush gets in all those little grooves. So then I'm just gonna use my towel again and wipe off, kind of dry the outside. And there is still a little bit right there that didn't come completely clean, but like I said, that is so much better. I will try to take a snapshot of the before and post it here and let you see. But I am very pleased with the outcome, and I think he will be too. So I hope y'all have a great day, and I hope this tip helps you as my camera is sliding, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.